Here's Robin and Renee watching television.
And still married after 6 months.
Right. Renee didn't say anything. Did you want to add something?
Well.
There's Mom back there. Good morning.
She already got us.
Oh, you've been taken. Huh?
Yep, we took them watching television.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough now?
Yeah, that's enough.
Isn't that terrible when
I just
somebody
hate
takes
that.
a picture of you? I know.
Oh, look at that one now.
I'm usually taking it, and then when someone else takes it, I think, oh, yeah.
Oh man, I thought you said your battery was dead.
Well, that one was.
I felt
did,
safe.
but
She doesn't like it either.
I felt safe.
Come on, you're a ham.
No, I'm
Take
not.
a chance. On sing, dance. Turn the darn camera off, right?
Yeah.
I bought that in Maui.
I don't see
Or Bonnie, really. Bonnie bought that for me. That scrimshaw on the handle, you know, an artist drawed that on there. For a little bit more, she would have drew the other side too, but I decided
Give me that camera.
Huh?
Boy, you are sharp there. Can't catch you unawares at all.
I seen her over there. How much?
Oh, you don't want to know.
Over 100. It's $1. I know
Oh.
that. Multiples of hundreds? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, she snuck away on me.
Still watching TV.
Still counting. Cell dance crew. For about $1 million. Ours take any perspirant. It excels with 50% more odor and wetness fighters per stroke for 24-hour control. Especially at a time like this.
Aren't you, dear?
Deserted and very cold.
Lynn?
To remember Cirex antifreeze.
I wanted to wake him up.
Oh.
The one that's on top for 15 minutes.
Oh, I
It's
see.
been longer.
Well, maybe I'll wake him up.
Lynn?
What?
Wake up.
I'm awake.
No, you're not.
Certainly am. We'll do some jumping jacks.
What do you think, guys? You think he's awake?
No.
Put a little hot coal on it.
Now that smells relief.
Get some ice.
We can sure find some. There goes Pig.
Oh, sure. Hi.
Beaver Dam. Does everybody know that?
Do you know that? Where else want to go?
How far is it back there?
Oh, I don't know. To John.
I gotta have more clothes on than I got.
The walking like.
Really bad. We got a trail most of it.
It's good walking. But it's, how far would you say, a mile?